Welcome all. My name is Russell Lewis. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Computer Science, and I'm making a little series of videos here that are intended for anyone who's new to the University of Arizona or teaching for the first time at the University of Arizona to kind of walk you through some of the basic steps of how you configure the basic websites and tools and mechanisms of the university. I'm not going to be focusing anything on how you design a course or how you do teaching. This is really just designed to help you navigate the bureaucracy in the first couple of weeks of preparation for a brand new course. So to start with, we have here UAccess. If you're a brand new member of the University of Arizona community, of course, you're going to need a U of A email address. You'll need to be able to log in through NetID, which is our single sign-on system. Once you've got all those basic things, you should be able to go in here to the Instructor Center. Now, when you log in, it will, if you're not already logged in, it will ask you to go through NetID authentication. I get to skip that step because I'm already logged in here. So this is UAccess Instructor, where you can see the various courses that you're planning to teach. You can click here to change the term. You want to make sure, let's look at fall of 2020. And this will show me, okay, it looks like I'm teaching 120 and I'm also teaching 346. They've got me set up in case I need to do some independent study as well. So once you are listed here in UAccess, that means you are the instructor of record in the course. Now you're going to go over to D2L. This is d2l.arizona.edu. D2L is desire to learn. You can see it right here. So once you're the instructor of record listed in UAccess, you can go to D2L and you can go to the course site request tool. And if you're not already logged in, it'll have you do that login. All right, so what we want to do is we want to request new D2L course sites. And we want to do this for fall 2020. How many sites? I've got 2 different classes, so I'm going to say 2. Occasionally you'll have some sort of a course where you might have one big unified course, but it's got a whole bunch of subsections underneath it. Depending on how you're going to run it, you probably want to have one D2L site for that entire course, including all the sections. But if you're not certain, you can talk to your department to see what the most advisable way to do it for your situation is. But you can click continue here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to drag things in. So this cloud computing, that's going to be one of those course sites. Intro to computer programming. These are independent study things. Okay, this all looks good. Now what you can do here, I can copy from previous semesters. I think you can probably only copy from your own classes. Um, this is very nice, very useful thing to do. All right, spring 2020. Um, if you do this, then the basic template of the course will be copied over from the previous, like how do you configure grades, what are your basic grade categories, stuff like that. So now we can just click build. All right, course sites have been built. So it says that students will be auto-enrolled within the next 2 to 3 hours. So D2L automatically keeps the list of students updated to match UAccess. You will have to manually add your own TAs, but I'll show you how to do basic D2L config in a different video. Hope this was useful. I'm Russ Lewis. Bye-bye.